When creating a great retirement lifestyle, we need to consider what would happen if we can't make a financial decision. So I'll give you a couple of examples. Let's just say, for example, you're unwell, or say, for example, you're in like a coma or something quite serious from a medical perspective. Like, what happens to your financial affairs? Is there someone that can make some transactions for you on your behalf? So I'll give you an example. Let's just say you're out of action, really unwell, and medical bills needed to be paid, etc. That can really cause angst and issues. The other scenario is, let's just say, for example, you're overseas. A lot of our clients love to travel, and the way the jurisdiction is at the moment is if you're overseas, we can't provide any advice, for example. So again, like the similar example, we need someone to be able to act on your behalf. Now this is a tricky one on who to choose. So it may be someone that you really trust, it may be a family member, it may be a couple of people who can act on your behalf. And what's also important is to actually have that formalised. So the document that we use is what's called a power of attorney. You can have a general power of attorney, which basically covers most things while you're fit and able. The other version is what's called an enduring power of attorney. And what that is, for example, that scenario where I mentioned where you were disabled or could not act, it continues. Where a normal general power of attorney, if something happened, it's unfortunately worthless. So especially for our clients who are by themselves, we really recommend a power of attorney. But I would say across all our clients, it's really good to consider those scenarios where if you can't make a transaction, who can act on your behalf. So again, please reach out if you need a hand. We'd recommend getting legal advice on this, and we can certainly put you in contact with an estate planning lawyer to assist.